Go download GPU Caps Viewer.
Be strong to hold the powers of the sun.
Click the first link.
To dream
Click Installer.
in strength, now I'm the
Then wait until the download starts.
only one.
After you have installed it, go to local disk and find the files.
Until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed.
Now go download the OpenGL fix file in the first link in the description.
My mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break?
Now open it and drag one of the files in the GPU Caps Viewer folder.
Can I be your superhero?
Now to see if it works, go in the GPU Caps Viewer and click on 3D Demo. Start the bottom one. Now if you see all the colors correctly, then that means that the OpenGL now works.